Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trains. I don't have a lot of time today, as I have a bunch of appointments to go to, so I needed to do something quick and easy for today's video. So today, we're going to be building Transformers Generation 1 Skywarp, which as you can see, is just another repaint of our F15 Strike Eagle build in a black and purple color scheme. And this is what it looks like here. And I know we've already done 2 F15s before, but like I said, I just didn't have any time to do anything else today. And on days like this where I'm busy, we'll probably end up doing all of the Transformers Generation 1 Seeker jets. So this is what it looks like. So let's get right into it. So as you can see here, we've already done Generation 1 Starscream, and now we'll do Skywarp. I'm going to build mine in the sky. If you're building it on the ground, come on the second block up off the ground. And we're going to take black concrete and do a line of 7 black concrete. Then at the back, a polish andesite block, a black concrete, and then 2 more polish andesite. Then we'll swing up to the front, and we're going to put an upside down polished blackstone stair on the front of this, then 2 polished blackstone top slabs. Then on the second slab in, we're going to put a second polished blackstone slab here, and then a line of black concrete all the way across the top to the back. Then on the bottom of the back, we're going to put 4 polished blackstone top slabs on the bottom row. And up here, 5 more black concrete so it sticks out by 1. And then 1 more slab on top of the back like that. Now come on top of the front on the second block back and put an acacia slab on top. Then 4 acacia planks, and then another acacia slab behind it. On the middle of this on top, 2 acacia trapdoors up here to finish off the cockpit. Now come on the side of the front, right here line with that first trapdoor, and put a polished andesite slab on the top of each side like this, then an upside down polished andesite stair facing forward on each side. Then a polished andesite block behind the stair on the top of each side. Then, behind that, on top, we're going to do 3 black concrete on either side. Behind that, 3 purple blocks on either side. Then behind that, we're going to go to polished blackstone stairs facing inward right here, and we're going to do a line of 5 stairs. And same thing on this side, 5 inward facing stairs up here. Then an inward facing deep slate tile stair on the back of each side. Coming off that, we're going to put a deep slate tile slab here and here, and then come underneath and put another slab here and here. Then a deep slate tile stair upside down but facing outward on each side this time. Then in front of that, we're going to do a single polished blackstone stair facing outward, then 2 purple, then a polished blackstone. Same thing on this side, polished blackstone, 2 purple stairs, polished blackstone, and these are facing outward. Then another polished blackstone stair on each side, then 2 polished andesite stairs on either side, then a single polished blackstone on either side, then a single polished andesite on either side, then we'll do 2 polished blackstone stairs on either side, and then finally an iron trapdoor here and an iron trapdoor here. Then we're going to come on the top middle behind the cockpit and put 3 polished blackstone slabs here, and then a line of dark oak trapdoors down the middle to this back right here. Then we're going to come up here. Right here we're going to put 3 iron trapdoors, 3 on this side, and then behind it 5 dark oak trapdoors on either side. Just like that. Then we're going to take polished blackstone walls out, and we're going to start right here and do a line of 6 walls across here. And same thing on this side, start here and do 6 polished blackstone walls up here. Then 1 block in from the back, on top of the walls, a column of 3 purple blocks, then 2, then 1. Same thing on this side, so 3 here, 2 here, 1 on the front. Then we're going to put a purple concrete on all 3 of these on each side, and also 1 on the top of each side. Then take purple slabs, and we're going to put one here and here, then here and here, here and here, here and here, and on top 2 slabs coming forward like this on each side. Then we're going to come down and take polished blackstone slabs on top of this wall right here, and we're going to put 2 slabs here and then a blackstone brick slab on the front of it. Then a blackstone brick slab here, 2 polished blackstone behind it, and 2 blackstone brick slabs here. And we'll repeat on this side. So right here, 2 polished blackstone, 1 blackstone brick slab, then a blackstone brick here, 2 polished blackstone, then 2 blackstone brick here. And now the tail wings are completed here. Now we'll do the wings, so come off this first purple block right here on top and put 2 polished blackstone slabs. Then come diagonally back like this and 2 more, then a purple slab, and then a polished blackstone slab. Then on the front of this end one, a blackstone brick slab right here, and then we're just going to keep putting 1 blackstone brick slab coming in diagonally forward each time until it meets up with the body of the jet. Then up in this front corner, we're going to put a single dark oak trapdoor right here. Then we're going to put a purple slab behind each one of these, and then we're going to put a crimson slab right here and fill the rest of the wing with blackstone brick slabs, just like that. Then we're going to repeat the process on this side. So come off this purple block, do 2 polished blackstone slabs, then a crimson slab right here. Then 2 polished blackstone on the back like this, a purple, then a blackstone brick. Then 1 on the front of this, and then keep coming diagonally forward all the way up till you meet up with the jet with single blackstone brick slabs. Then in front of this one, we're going to put a dark oak trapdoor, and then we'll go ahead and put a purple slab behind all of these. Then fill the rest of this wing with blackstone brick slabs here, just like that. And now the wings are completed. Then we'll do the landing gear, so come underneath the second black concrete back on the front, and we need to get a sideways grindstone for the front landing gear and a hanging dark oak sign behind it. Then we'll do the back ones, so we're going to come back here on this polished andesite stair with a block of coal, and we need to come diagonally down and over like this, so it's to the side. Then same thing on this side, diagonally down and over. Put a stone button on the side of these 2 wheels. Then we're going to put a birch fence gate here and here, then open a dark oak fence gate in the middle and another one in front of that open. And now that back landing gear is done. So there we have it, folks. We've completed Transformers Generation 1 Skywarp, our black and purple F15 Strike Eagle fighter jet. I know, this is kind of lame doing another repaint, but like I said, I just didn't have time and I needed something fast. So I hope everyone enjoyed the build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, everyone.